Hello guys, welcome to JD's Kitchen and thank you guys for stopping by. If it's your first time here, you are welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be making hot pot, so sit back, relax, and let's cook this pot of deliciousness together. So to cook hot pot, you need the following ingredients. You need your potatoes. I would advise that you get potatoes that are small and round, so you don't have to cut it like you see I've cut mine. It looks more appetizing. I went to the market, people, and I found this very rare, scarce spices. Okay, it's called dill. I'm going to use it to garnish my potatoes at the end. You guys will see that. So you need chicken as well, so I spiced my chicken 2 days ago. You need some chopped tomatoes. You need green spices, which include celery, spring onions, and parsley. You need white pepper and curry powder, and then you need some salt and seasoning cubes. Now I'm going to be using garlic, no ginger. I would use just garlic, and I'm going to blend it or chop it. I need some sliced onion as well, and then you're also going to need some chopped carrots and then some green peppers. Now you can use the red, the yellow, the green together, but I could only find the green one in the market. Now this is my chicken. You guys, I seasoned this chicken a couple of days back and I left it in the freezer. So now I'm just adding these very rare spices. Dill, I saw it in the market and I'm like, I'm not going to let you go because I don't see you all the time, so I just put it in it. Yeah, I went ahead to put my potato in water and added some salt. Now what you're doing is parboiling, not cooking through, parboiling the potato. So I steamed my chicken, I took it out of the pot. I also almost forgot my potato on the fire, but I timed it to 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes it was okay, but I kind of felt like it wasn't I needed to give it like 2 or 3 more minutes, and then I ended up forgetting it up to 5 minutes. So it almost cooked through, and yeah, so I just decided that I was going to bake it. Normally when cooking hot pot, we go ahead and fry our potatoes, but when you bake it, it's better because you can control the amount of oil that you have in your food. But at the end of the day, the baking was taking so long. I had 2 trays of chicken and potato baking in my oven, but it was taking so much time, so I decided to go ahead and fry some. So you're going to see me fry some. Frying will take less time than baking, so I went ahead to fry some. Yeah, so I fried my potatoes, and when they are golden brown, you want to take them off the fire, and I fried them on medium heat because you don't want to overcook your potatoes. You don't want them to get burnt. So you guys, look at the shape of my potatoes. Imagine that they were just very small round potatoes. I would not have to cut them in these different shapes and sizes that you're seeing, and the hot pot would look amazing. So I'm recommending again that you use round small potatoes. This is all that I could find, so that's why I'm using potatoes that I've chopped. But you can see that some of my potatoes were small and round, and oh my god, I wish all of them were like that, but still the food tasted delish. So now our potato and chicken are fully baked and fully fried, so I go ahead to put some oil in a pot. I put my tomatoes. Once the oil is hot, I put my tomatoes and then I fry it. I add some garlic. You see that I grated my garlic, so yeah, I mix it together. I cook the tomatoes alone for like 5 minutes. Then I go ahead to add the carrots, the green spices, the onions, the white pepper, the curry powder, the green pepper. I just add all the vegetables that I showed you guys earlier, and then I'm going to mix these. Unfortunately, I lost the clip where I was pouring in the chicken and the potato, but you go ahead and put in the chicken first. You mix it together and then you add the potatoes, and then you do very little mixing. You guys, I even filmed when I was shaking the pot, like you hold the pot. I have a video where I showed you guys how you mix Jangsang stew when it's on the fire. That's exactly what I did, but I lost the clips while I was trying to edit this video. You guys, I garnished this potato with that special spices. Look at how it's looking. You want to make this recipe for your family, enjoy it. Easter is coming, so maybe you should try this recipe, and yeah, tell me how it turned out for you. It was absolutely delicious. It was a rainy, cold day, and this meal made so much sense. It was giving what it's supposed to give. Thank you guys for watching this video. You can tell I'm excited. I would see you guys in my next video. Bye.